Here with more on Snap's IPO and the market in general. Adam Johnson, the Bullseye Brief author. Good to have you here, and founder, I should point out. Just to keep it in perspective for people, we talk about a $22 billion valuation.
Big number, right?
It feels really big.
Yeah.
Give me some sense of how that compares to other companies out there that people may know.
Well, U.S. Steel, which is front and center because everyone's talking about infrastructure, is $7 billion. All right, so this company is 4 times the size of U.S. Steel. If we're all talking about U.S. Steel, you can imagine what the bankers are saying and how they're feeling about Snapchat. I tell you right now, Trish, having been on Wall Street, and you as well, you're at Goldman Sachs, when you have a market that is making new all-time highs, the Dow's up 330 points, these guys are doing backflips on the trading floor right now. And Cheryl's absolutely right. They are upping the price. It was 14 to 16. It's probably going to be 17, could go 18.
What, is that a function of the market right now, about optimism for our economy? Is it helpful that Trump gave the speech that he gave?
Incredibly helpful. It's also a function of what Snapchat is doing. I mean, this actually is a substantive play. 85% of their users, and they have about 158 million users, are millennials. 11 to 34, and they're spending money in a way that Twitter users are not spending money. So there's actually opportunity here.
Wow. When you look at the market as a whole, I mean, I remember you being on this set just a short time ago, and you were saying, look, 21,000 is no big deal.
Right.
Watch for 23,000. Actually, maybe it was 20,000. You were
20.
saying, like, no big deal.
I know.
We're going to plow through 20,000, and it's 23 you need to watch for. Now we're above 21, so we're on track.
Well, no, don't be trapped. Just be long. And don't be short. I tried that. It didn't work. I covered my shorts. And, you know, here's the deal. When you and I were talking about Dow 20,000 and celebrating that moment about 5 weeks ago, you said, are we going higher? And I said, yes, and here's why. If you have comprehensive tax reform and you do a bottoms-up analysis of earnings at S&P 500 companies, you're going to add 12 to 15% to the earnings of the S&P 500. So you know what? You should add 12 to 15% to what you should be ultimately targeting, and that's 23,000.
All right, so you're long right now, and you think next level to be really watching. I mean, obviously 22, but we're on our way to 23.
This is such
year and a half.
Yes, this is such a powerful rally. And Donald Trump last night did something. He pivoted, right? He actually borrowed several pages out of the Ronald Reagan playbook, looking up into the gallery. The human moments. Oh my gosh, Tris, amazing what he actually did last night. And it was that pivot that enabled people to get behind him, because it no longer is a purely bipartisan play, it's an American play. And that is a powerful message.
Adam Johnson, good to see you.
Oh, thanks for having me, Trish.
All right, we're going to be right back.